doors wide. Come on in, let's take the ride. Hotels, views, worldwide. Our crazy room tour life.
Okay, so this is a room tour of Premier Inn, Great Yarmouth, room 321. Pretty standard for a Premier Inn, although, well, I say standard, I think it's substandard for a Premier Inn. So you come in here, you've got a funny little wardrobe area there, hairdryer, bathroom. I mean, it's fine. It's fine. This is literally as we arrive. We were here for 2 nights, so this is us checking out. We're here for 2 nights. The first thing she said, I mean, she was very nice, but she said, we don't do housekeeping. So yeah, so no housekeeping. Bed's been made. Literally no plugs that side whatsoever. That side, I think there was 1 plug down there. Bed was comfy, I give it that. It was comfy. There's no mock-ons. The absolutely worst thing, I mean, it's just a bit grubby, if I'm honest. These curtains, I mean, they look like they've never had an iron. They've got these weird holes in, which, because it's been quite sunny, just like 2 eyes looking at you in the morning when the sun comes up. Sort of quite a nice view, really. I mean, we're in Great Yarmouth, so you've got the seafront of the town that way. You've got the canal. Is it a canal? I don't know. Riverway there. It's free parking downstairs. Yeah, it's just a bit tired. It really doesn't feel like a Premier Inn room. And then this is the air conditioning, which is, I mean, I'm literally sweating. It's not even that hot outside really, but it's like the stuffiest room I think we've ever stayed in. And the air conditioning, it's on minimum, but you can't get it down lower than 19 degrees. And it feels a lot hotter than that in here. So yeah, very disappointed, I think. Normally Premier Inns, you know what you're getting, but we wouldn't stay again.